It's Ryan from Handy Bros, and we're going to go over some in-depth installation settings on your new Ecobee thermostat with your heat pump system. The first thing to check on a heat pump system, if it's experiencing any sort of issues, is the thermostat setup. Now, we don't recommend playing with these setups unless you're being guided through the process, but here's how to get to them for the troubleshooting sake. From our main screen, we'll open up our menu, and then we'll go into our settings using the gear on the bottom right. From there, we're going to scroll almost right to the very bottom to our settings option. And then we'll go into our installation settings. Here, we're going to need to go into our thresholds. And this is where the thermostat uses the logic in its program to run the heat pump or the furnace to maintain comfort and efficiency. The first option is we want to disable our auto heat/cool. This setting can confuse a heat pump system into flipping back and forth and cause a bit of a dead zone wherein there is no conditioning. The next one we want to make sure is our staging is set to manual. This will allow us to properly program the system to flip over from heat pump to the furnace as needed. The next option, our auxiliary heat max outdoor temperature. We set that for 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. At that temperature, our modern heat pumps should have zero problem supplying heat without any sort of frosting or defrosting and needing to fall back onto that auxiliary heating. Our next option we want to set is our compressor minimum outdoor temperature. That is the lockout wherein the thermostat will automatically turn our furnace on instead of our heat pump, just to make sure we're maintaining the proper efficiency and keeping the comfort in your house as the temperature outside drops. This setting relies on your thermostat being paired to the Wi-Fi, but also having the app installed on a mobile device. It uses the local weather reports and will dictate which piece of equipment runs from there. Our next setting we're going to want to set is a little bit further down. It's our compressor to auxiliary runtime. That should be set for 90 minutes. What that is saying is we are giving that heat pump 90 minutes to satisfy our thermostat. If it's not able to do so at that point, we're just going to use that gas furnace to kick things on and keep us comfortable in the house. Other than that, none of these settings should be changed. If there is any sort of issues or any wishes to change these things, definitely consult your service technician. They'll be able to get you to where you need to be to make sure everything is comfortable from there. Other than that, once we go back to our main menu, everything will run properly from its own. This is Ryan from Handy Bros. That's how you change your installation settings for your new heat pump system. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your technician or dispatcher. Otherwise, I'll be back with more tips.
If you're still having issues and need more information, we offer this really cool feature on our app called Virtual Tech Support. Download our app today on the Apple or Google Play stores, or go to our website and click the Virtual Tech Support link flashing at the top of any page. You'll be able to connect with a licensed in-house technician right here in our very own head office. We're here to serve you. Handy Bros, home comfort done differently since 1959.